Hello, hope everyone is doing great and in good health. So I'm back with yet another healthy and nutritious recipe, which is oats dosa. Let's get started with the process of making oats dosa. First things first, let us note the ingredients we need to make oats dosa. Here I've taken chopped coriander, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, curry leaves and 1 teaspoon cumin, half a cup rice flour, 1/4 cup semolina and 3/4 cup rolled oats. Take a pan, add oats and roast them for few minutes. If you're someone who loves hogging on dosas, I know most of us do, and dosa is your ultimate favorite, yet you have this guilty of stuffing yourself with carbs, as rice dosas are high in carbs, which again is not good for your health. Then these dosas are extremely nutritious and healthiest option for you. Roast until oats turn aromatic and crisp. It may take 5 to 10 minutes on low medium flame. Now just transfer roasted oats into a jar and make a fine powder of it. Your oats flour is ready. Now let's start making batter for the oats dosa. Add oats flour, half a cup rice flour, 1/4 cup semolina, which is rava, onion finely chopped, curry leaves, cumin seeds and green tea, and salt according to your taste. Here I'm using Himalayan pink salt. I just forgot to mention, you should also add 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder into this batter. Add a glass of water and adjust according to the consistency. And the consistency of the batter should be runny. If you find your batter too thick, just feel free to add more water. Rest the batter for 15 minutes. After resting, batter becomes a little thick. If it's not thick, just continue making your dosa. And if it's thick, add a little more water to that. Drizzle few drops of oil and wipe it off with a tissue. Doing so wouldn't stick your batter to the tawa. On a heated pan, just pour dosa batter. And again, drizzle few drops of oil around. Flip the dosa and cook for few minutes. Your oats dosa is ready. Have it with the chutney of your choice. Thank you for watching.